Before you begin, remove the top cover and display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the 2 mylar screw covers from the bottom corners of the display bezel. Remove the 2 2mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the display bezel to the display enclosure. Carefully separate the display bezel from the display enclosure. Lift and remove the display bezel. Replacement. Place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Apply pressure around the outside edges of the display bezel until it snaps onto the display enclosure. Replace the 2 2mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the display bezel to the display enclosure. Place the 2 mylar screw covers onto the bottom corners of the display bezel.